In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view past returns on TurboTax. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go and what to click, so you can quickly access prior year returns for reference, while say it's printing or downloading. Start on your TurboTax home screen. From here, go to the Documents area. Depending on your screen size or device, you'll typically find documents in the main navigation, either along the left side or at the top. If you're on a phone or tablet, tap the menu icon to reveal the navigation first. Click or tap Documents to open your document vault. This is where TurboTax organizes the files associated with your account, including PDFs of your prepared returns, filing confirmations, and other tax documents you've stored. If you don't immediately see documents, make sure you're in TurboTax Online rather than the desktop software, and that you're signed in to the correct account you used when you filed. Many people have more than one login, so if something looks off, like the dashboard is empty or the years don't match your filing history, sign out and back in with the email you used when you filed that year. Also, if your browser is zoomed in a lot, the navigation might collapse. Zooming out or expanding the window can help. Once you're inside the Documents area, look for the control labeled View Documents From. This is a drop-down menu that lets you choose the tax year you want to review. Select the year you're interested in, and TurboTax will filter the vault to show documents from that specific year. After you pick the year, you should see your past return as a PDF, along with any related files available for that season. A few helpful tips here. The list of available years depends on what you filed in this account. If you prepared a return using the desktop CD version and never uploaded it, it may not appear online. If you filed jointly, you might see documents for both taxpayers under the same account. Give the page a moment to refresh after selecting the year, especially on slower connections. When you see the return you need, you can open it to review your forms and numbers. If you plan to print or save a copy, look for a download or print option near the file. If clicking a PDF doesn't open, check that your browser allows pop-ups and has a PDF viewer enabled. That's all there is to it. Go to Documents, then choose the year in View Documents From. With those two actions, you can reliably pull up prior year returns whenever you need them. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you find your past TurboTax returns with confidence.